Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into the contract miner. We're going to be checking out how our account is progressing. I'm also going to be doing a withdrawal and particularly showing you the process of making a withdrawal to your Faucet Pay account, as that has now changed. So keep watching.
Hey guys, it's me Jesse. So we're dropping into the contract miner and we have some new info on the upcoming event, so stay tuned for that. And remember, if this is your first time visiting RJ's channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you're alerted to all of his new content as it comes online. Thanks for watching.
Okay, so here we are in our contract mining account, and yes, actually thank you Jesse for reminding me that we do have some new information about the upcoming event, which obviously I will let you guys know in just a second. It's not a huge amount of information, but I do chat with the developer on a regular basis, and he is keeping his cards very, very close to his chest when it comes to the event, but he has let me know a few things which obviously I can pass on to you. Okay, so anyway, before we do anything else, let's quickly run through the numbers. So the last time we did a video was 1 month ago. Now 1 month ago we were at level 48. We are now at level 49, which you can see just about up in this corner. I have to say, I would prefer the level number to be just a little bit bigger. I just think it would make it a little easier that at a quick glance you sort of know what level you're at. Obviously it doesn't make a huge amount of difference, but for me I would like that number just to be a little bit bigger. So our level EXP 1 month ago was 12. It's now 12.25. Our daily login bonus 1 month ago was 2.48. It's now 4.49. So we're getting close to nearly 5% login bonus there. Now, and a month ago we had no boosts, but I believe we did pick one up today when I was doing basically doing everything in my account, and we were using the RP games up here. I'm fairly certain we picked up a boost from the, you know, where you've got the 3 chests, that game. I can't remember what that's called. But yes, so we have a 25% mining EXP booster for 6 hours. So we're going to add that. Okay, so that's now active. Okay, and you can still see that we are still mining as we were a month or so ago. Litecoin, if we go up here, you can see we finally tipped over that 5 million. Now obviously the minimum requirement for Litecoin is 1 million, but the maximum, unless you are a paid member, so you're using you've got the veteran sort of passes, these passes up here, these veteran passes, unless you're paying for one of these, the maximum you can withdraw of Litecoin is 5 million. So that's what we're gonna do today. So we need to go to our wallet, and we need to go click on Litecoin, and then we can go select a coin. Now, like it says here, minimum is 1 million, or no, 100,000. Sorry, the minimum is 100,000. The maximum is 5 million. Now we need to get a Litecoin wallet address, and then we'll put in our PIN code. But so to start with, we need to 0.05, that is 5 million. And now we need to get a Litecoin address. Now obviously if you want to do a direct withdrawal to an external wallet, you can. You just put in your Litecoin wallet address and then it will basically be sent to that wallet. But for those of you that have been using this site for quite a while, in the early days, basically we were able to, or basically what you did was you had your Litecoin Faucet Pay wallet address stored in your account. Well, that is no longer possible to do that, but that does not mean that we can't send it to Litecoin at all. So we're going to go through the process of how to send that to Litecoin Faucet Pay. Getting my brain's getting all a bit mixed up. Yeah, so what we're going to do is going to go through the process of how we can still send our Litecoin and other coins to our Faucet Pay account, even though the internal way that you used to be doing is no longer available. So we just need to go over to our Faucet Pay account. And for those of you that don't know a whole lot about the contract miner, but think it looks like a fun and interesting way to earn yourself some free crypto, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to a tutorial. Now that's going to give you a lot more information and a better understanding of how the program works and what you need to be doing to get your accounts up and running and earning some of these free coins. But if you go right the way to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. Okay, so as you can see here, we are in our Faucet Pay account. And for those of you that are still using the Pro Infinity website, Faucet for the website, you can see that I am still doing my daily withdrawals from Pro Infinity without absolutely any problem. And yeah, and that is still continuing to be a great faucet. So for those of you that are not using that yet, what I'll do is I'll put a link to a video in the description, but I'll also put a link to a video tutorial at the end of this video as well. If you want to go and check that faucet out, I find it's absolutely brilliant, earning me coins all the time. So anyway, how do we get our contract mining withdrawal into our Faucet Pay account now? So basically what you do is you click on wallet, and you need to go down the listing, and then we need to find Litecoin. So we find Litecoin, and then we click deposit. So we click on that, and then that is just going to give us our address, which we click copy. And then we want to go back over to our contract miner and now put that wallet address into the withdrawal area. Okay, so here we are back at the contract miner. We've got our request form up here, so we just click on that, and then we paste in our Litecoin address that we've just got from our Faucet Pay account. Then we type in our code, our PIN code, and then click withdraw. And there you go, shows your support, showing a payment proof right there at the top here. Request made, please wait for the next payout run. I'm not sure when that will be, but what I'll do is as soon as that payment lands in our Faucet Pay, I will make a payment proof video so you guys can actually see that. I think it's every weekend. I think it's on a Sunday, so that might well go in tomorrow, as it being Saturday the 10th of February today. So obviously that is all done and dusted. We're just going to wait for that payment to land it in our wallets. Now, Jesse did talk about the up and coming event and the new information that we have. Now, like I say, it's not a huge amount of information because the developer wants to keep it a bit of a surprise, and I don't blame him, to be honest. I mean, at the end of the day, you don't want to leak all the good stuff out there too early, do you? You know. But what I can tell you is that the event should be starting sometime about mid-February, you know, maybe slightly later. So somewhere like about the 15th, any time after the 15th, or sometimes it should be starting around about that time. I know it's not an absolutely definite on the date yet, but that's about the time he's looking to get it up and running. Also, I can tell you that it's going to be a lot bigger in the sense of length compared to the Christmas event. It's going to be a lot longer, which means that's really good, because it means that it's going to give you guys more time to get to basically get to the end of it, to claim all the prizes. And also the other big news is there's more prizes. And also as well, just like the Christmas event, there is going to be a free section. So basically you can just play for free and there are free rewards, but there is also going to be a part of the competition, just like with the Christmas event, which is going to be classed as a premium section. And obviously if you pay for the privilege to be premium, then you'll get the premium rewards. But I believe just like the Christmas event, you will also get the free rewards as well. So you're going to get everything. But obviously, like I say, as a free player, as free players, you still will be able to claim plenty of rewards through that event. So make sure that you check it out and that you're taking part when it does finally get released. So I'm going to leave that there. I hope you found that helpful and informative. And if you are interested in that tutorial and the Pro Infinity faucet video, they're probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you can smash that like button, please, it really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.